Hey there, what's up everyone? I hope you're doing really good today. In this video, I'm going to be reviewing for you the best cases for your Samsung Galaxy Note 10 and Note 10 Plus. Let's go. Hey there, before we begin this video, my name's Sergio with Surge Tech. In this channel, I do reviews, tutorials, and also talk a lot about passive income. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, go ahead and do so now. I promise you'll get a ton of valuable information from me. If you want to follow me on Instagram, go ahead and do so now. It's surge.tech. And there's going to be links and resources to all the information that I talked to you about in this video in the description down below. So check that out. And without further ado, let's get right to the video now. So I picked up the top cases available at the moment for the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. So in this video, we're going to be testing them all out so that you can see how they look and the amount of actual protection that each case offers for your Note 10. All right, so we have a couple different cases here to choose from. These are all top of the line cases. So we're going to be reviewing all of these. We have 6 cases, top of the line cases for your Note 10. All right, let's begin. All right, so first up we have these nice custom cases that you can get for any device, and I actually got 2 of them custom made, printed for my Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. I got one which is color printed, which is this one right here, as you can see, and then I got another one which is engraved. So these are both real bamboo wooden cases. One of them is color printed and the other one is laser engraved. So you can choose whichever one you like the best if you want to add color to your custom design or if you just want it engraved in the wood. I love them both, but in my opinion, I personally like wood engraved one better. It gives it more of a professional look to it. It actually has some depth in the wood so that you can feel the actual carvings from the laser engravement. So let's go ahead and try this out on the Note 10 Plus so you can see how it looks and how it feels. So there you go. It has perfect opening right here for the flash and the cameras on the Note 10 Plus. Another cool thing that you can do with these cases is you can customize anything that you want to be put on the case. So you can have a picture of yourself, picture of your loved ones, you can have your company logo, or just about anything that you can come up with. So get creative. There's going to be links down below in the description that'll take you straight to the website where you can customize and purchase these cases. They're super high quality cases which fit on your phone perfectly and give it excellent protection as well from falls. And you can get your own custom design on your case for yourself or to give it to someone as a gift for a very inexpensive price. So check that out. Link's gonna be down below in the description. This is the first case I wanted to review because it is my favorite one since I was able to customize it and get my logo on it. Here we have a couple other wooden cases for different models. They have from the newest iPhone, the 11 Pro Max, the 11, Note 10, Note 10 Plus, and older iPhones as well. So pretty much you can get a custom designed case for any phone. So it doesn't matter what phone you have, you can get a customized case for it. All right, so let's go ahead and move on to the next case. So here we have one of the strongest cases here that we got. This is the Otterbox. So it comes with this clip belt holster that you could use, and to put this Otterbox, since these cases are so rugged, we're gonna have to remove the rubber piece around the plastic casing, and this one is the Defender Pro model. So with the Otterbox, first you place your iPhone inside the hard case, and then we're gonna go ahead and place the top section right above, and then just give it some pressure, clamp it down. Once you feel all the clips have connected, then we can go ahead and place the black rubber around it back on. And there you go, beautiful looking case. This thing is super protective. So like I said, this is going to be one of the more protective cases. It does give it a little bit of a bigger look and feel to it, but this is top protection and still keeps your phone looking pretty sleek while at the same time giving it maximum protection. So Otterbox Defender Pro. It also comes with the belt holster clip here, which you can clip onto your belt either like this, or we can flip it around and place it on like this. All right, so next up we have this UAG Urban Armor gear case. This one is in red. Go ahead and try this out on the Note 10 Plus. So this case is a lot simpler to just place on. We just clip it onto the phone like that very easily. Nice metallic look on the back, leather and metallic, although this is not real leather and real metal. It's really plastic, but it does give it a nice professional look to it. And it does give it protection around the edges of the phone as well, which is super important for slimmer cases, because some slimmer cases might keep the thin feel of the phone, but usually don't offer as much protection around the edges, which is what's important, so that when you drop your phone, your screen does not crack. So nice looking case here. And let's move on to the next one. So here we have a Tech 21 Pure Clear case. I know some people love clear cases because it doesn't take away any of the physical appearance of this nice phone, especially with the glow color on the back, so that we can take the most out of it and still be able to see it. So as you can see, this case looks very, very sleek and professional. Keeps the thinness of the phone while also giving it protection around the edges. The buttons on it feel very nice as well. They click perfectly. So nice cutout hole here for the cameras and the flash. You could still see the Samsung logo here. You can even see the letters down here at the bottom of the case. So beautiful looking case, and it keeps the phone feeling super thin as well. All right, let's move on to the next one. So here we have a Tech 21 Evo Check case. So this one brings mix and match buttons, so you can change the colors of the actual buttons if you want to change it up over here. And this one is also kind of clear, but it has a blue color to it. So case fits around it perfectly, giving it great protection as well from falls. You can feel the buttons here pretty good as well. They stick out pretty good. So this is pretty cool. It brings different color buttons here so that we can change the buttons on the actual case if you want to do so. So all we'll have to do is push in the buttons here, and you can take them out like that. Super simple. And then just push the new buttons in. All right, and then just place the phone back into the case, and there we go. We got our custom colored buttons on the Tech 21 case. So also good protection case here. Something else, another case you may want to consider. This does offer it good protection and also keeps the sleek feel and design of the phone as well. Let's move along to the next case. And finally, we have a Samsung wallet case. So let's go ahead and check this one out. This is the wallet cover. So let's go ahead and open it up. It even comes with a quick start guide. So this is pretty self-explanatory. You just place the phone right here and it flips over. Although this case does bring a slot right here so that you can either place your ID card or a credit card. So added convenience there. Let's go ahead and place the Note 10 Plus inside the case. So it just clicks right in there. And when you close it, check that out. You could still see the time through the case right here. So pretty cool feature there with this Samsung case. Makes it look very professional. It closes perfectly since it is made from Samsung specifically for the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. So very professional and nice feeling case. Although the protection that this case offers is very questionable, because if you drop your phone, it could open in during the fall and easily break your phone, as it doesn't give it much coverage around the edges of the device. Let's see, if we hold it like this, it just opens up. So it doesn't really have a magnet to hold it together. So if you drop your Note 10 or Note 10 Plus using this case, you have a high probability of cracking your device. All right, so just keep that in mind. This is a very nice looking case. Like I said, has the buttons right here, volume buttons, power buttons. You can see they're labeled right here. Another nice looking case to consider for your Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. All right, everyone, so let me know in the comments down below which case you prefer, which one you like the best, and go ahead and give this video a like. It really helps me out a lot. And that's it for now. Remember, we're gonna have links down below in the description to each of these cases. So that's it for now. I'll see you guys in the next video. And as always, peace. Ciao.